Really, ZBrush? Come on. Edit. Let's go to delete other, and let's go to layers, and let's go to bake all. So we got our guy here, and I'm going to go, I want to put a slice through here. So we could do, we could slice that with a plane. If you want to do, let's do a really quick one where we just do, let me see, geometry. And in fact, we don't even have, we can just do dynamic subdivisions here. So that way we can just insert this. We'll go split mass points, and we'll do Shift-D, and we'll scale this in here. I'll rotate this around. So you'll be able to, let's turn everything back on here. Like slice through the arm here, for example. And if you wanted to do, like say, so we got this piece here. I'm also going to go through here, and we're going to put another cube on here. And let's go into transparent ghost. And again, I'm just flying by the seat of my pants since I've never actually done this as far as I can remember. But we can put a little cube right here, and we can just stick this in here. So now we have a slice plane and a cube plane. And so what we'll need to do is we'll go ahead and split that down. So we've got this cube here, and this cube I want to be additive or subtractive. I want one cube to be additive to the arm and the other cube to be subtractive. So I suppose what you could do, we're going to use this cube here to be subtractive for this start group, which is the human male. And then we're going to duplicate this cube off and make a new start group. And we're going to say this cube is going to be additive to that. And up here, we're going to duplicate off this here, and we're going to stick this into that start group, and we're going to say this is subtractive. So if we turn off that start group, and we go into Alt-R, we're going to have it cut in. And if you look inside there, you can see the cube is also cutting that out. And then if we go down here and we turn on this start group, we're getting a polyplane, which we don't actually need this polyplane. We need the additive start group to go to the lower part of the arm. So, or the upper part of the arm, doesn't really matter. So in that case, let's just do this one step at a time. Let's see if I can work my way through this problem. And we say, okay, I want dynamic. So when I go here to the Boolean here, we're going to turn on dynamic subdivisions, make Boolean mesh. This will make our union mesh here. And now I've got my union mesh. I can do Control Shift, grab this piece, go ahead and split this off. And you're going to see I have key registration on here, and then also on here, but one of these needs to poke in. So what I can do is I can quickly just go here. I can grab that cube. I can go to append that cube, and then this, let's say I want the cube to go with this arm or the other side. So if I take this one and merge it down, now this one's going to stick out and that one's going to poke in. So now if I take this arm and move it thusly, you're going to see that fits perfectly right in there. Could be one way to do it. There's probably a more elegant way than what I just tried to do, but again, I'm just flying off the seat of my pants. But that would be how I would do it. You could also probably just use a polyplane. Now, there are going to be tolerances there that you're going to have to worry about. Like if you do it perfectly and you have a NASA resolution 3D printer, maybe that would work, but and really it's not even like, when I'm moving it, it's not moving perfectly along that normal. So let's hit Alt. There we go. I'm like, it's not even moving right. Now it'll slide perfectly in and out maybe, or it should. That's subtractive mesh here, but you probably are better off making that cube a little bit smaller when you attach it to the arm, maybe.